Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your searches by type in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on the search symbol there. Now you can just find an item here. I'm just going to press on a random category, for example, and after that you can just press on filters and press on type, and you can just select the type here. In this case you can see base cabinet, shelf, high cabinet, table. You can just select it and after that press on view, and now you will be able to find every product here or item that is in that category. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.